Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys I'll be showing you how to change password on Frontier Airlines. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to the Google Play Store or the App Store and download the Frontier application. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Frontier if you haven't already done that, of course. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So in the bottom left corner we have, as you can see, the home screen, where you can go and select your flight, the book a flight, where you can go and check out the flights, your trips, your flight status, and in the bottom right corner, the more options. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and change password on Frontier Airlines. So this, you need to go on the website, so you cannot do this on the application. When you open the website, visit the Frontier Airlines website and log into your account. Then click on your name in the upper right corner and select My Profile. After selecting My Profile, in the Sign In Credentials tile, click the pencil icon next to Password. Then enter your current password. And after you have entered your current password, enter your new password and confirm it by re-entering it. Then click Save to update your password, and that's basically that. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it, and guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, bye guys.